We're gonna naked. You got that. All right, fellas, so we do have that pressed in there, so we got us some bigger size bolt. We're gonna hit and poof, pop it right out. There it goes. There it goes, though. All right, boys, so here we got the old one. Got it pulled out. You can see all the extra play it has. I mean, it just moves the whole fucking shaft in the middle. Hopefully, here we got the new water pump. Nothing. It's picking up, the whole thing is coming with it. It even got home grab. Got home grab. All right, boys, we almost got it out. Come on, big boy. Bam. Oh yeah, you can hear that. Look at that. On with the old and with the new, boys. There we go, boys. There we got the new one. There goes the. Yes, sir. All right, fellas, just about done. I just pushed my radiator back forward. Got the fan going. Got the new pump. Put all my tools back on and call it a day. All right, a couple finishes touches. There it goes. All the coolant on there. Get it running. All right, boys. Startup time.